Welcome to my channel. I'm Christina, and in today's video I will show you one more short rows method, German short rows. This is one of my favorite short rows method before I discovered Japanese short rows. If you are interested, I will leave the link below. You can go and watch. But today I will show you how to do the short rows. It's also very easy and neat technique. The short rows are almost invisible in your knitting. So let's start. Let's say the pattern says knit until 5 stitches left on the needle. So I need to knit 3 more. And now I need to turn my work. So what I do, I just turn the work on the other side. For the German short rows, the working yarn always should come in front of your knitting. So I turn, and now the working yarn is in front of my knitting. So what I do now, I need to slip this stitch as the purl onto right hand needle. I do this, and here where the trick comes. I need to create a double loop by pulling the working yarn. You see, I am pulling the both legs of the previous stitch in the row, creating a double stitch. That's how it looks. Just don't pull it too tight, just leave it the tension as all the other stitches on the needle. And next I'm doing the purling because I'm knitting stockinette. And now I just continue to purl until my pattern says that I need to turn. Let's say I knit and I need to turn on the right side. This is what I do. I turn, and as I said, now the working yarn is behind the knitting. You need to bring it to the front and do the same procedure. You slip as to purl the stitch onto the right hand needle, and now you need to create the double loop again. So I just pull the working yarn like that. It will create the double stitch. Here on the right side it will look funny, but don't worry, later you will see that that's fine, that's how it should be. And I just continue knitting, and I will show you how to work off the German short rows. German short rows you will not miss, you will see it immediately. This is this funny double stitch, and you treat it as one. So I want to work off this stitch, and I just knit it as normal knit stitch. There you go, and I continue knitting. So I worked off one short row. I will show you how to do on the right side. Here I am on my wrong side of knitting, and I need to purl 2 more until I come to my short row stitch. Here it also looks like double stitch, this funny looking stitch. You will not miss it. So, and this one we also just purl. We treat this stitch as one, and you just purl it. That's it. And we continue knitting as usual. This is how it looks on the wrong side. And here is the right side. You see this little indicator which says like 1 stitch is over 2 rows. These were our short rows, but in knitting it's almost invisible, especially after blocking and washing. Here I also did before some short rows. Obviously you can spot them, that's why I leave the link below for the Japanese short rows, which are even neater technique than German short rows. Thanks for watching. Please press like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you next time. Bye!